The third challenge in unstructured data for credit analytics really comes out of the increasing use of credit data across all the functional areas within a modern financial institution. No surprise that end users in marketing, in CRM, in asset liability management, cash management, collections, underwriting, CRM, etc., these are all coming to actually take much greater use of the underlying credit data for their own purposes. The danger, of course, with this is that this just leads to more and more stovepipe systems replicating effort and limiting investment in the underlying credit data itself. And it also inevitably limits the overall insight that you're going to get out of the data that you're using on top of some sort of big data platform. Now, no one can predict what sort of value you're going to extract out of your big data sources, or what's going to be more or less useful to a particular end user. But there are major economies of scale and scope for credit data. And this really only works when you take an enterprise view of the big data sources, and particularly the unstructured big data sources. Now, this is made a bit harder by the understandable temptation of the functional end users to actually do sort of POCs or small initiatives to take advantage of their particular requirements without actually understanding the broader implications of building a big data platform for the entire organization. So, to summarize, no single technology addresses all the key requirements for unstructured data and credit risk. Not Hadoop, not Grid, not Cloud, none of the above. What's important is, if you're going to have success in credit risk analytics, we're using unstructured data, you've really got to think in terms of the big data platform and focus on the enterprise requirements and make sure that these technologies can deliver actionable insights, and those technologies are based on data that has its own integrity. All three items tend to be missing in a lot of initiatives for big data and credit risk. Thank you.